Hi, this is Doug Stanani again, and this is for part 2. I will talk about OOP principles, and you will see this in the third slide of my PPT. So, if we let's start talk about OOP principles which I used in my code. So, first is abstraction. So basically, abstraction is generally showing only essential details while hiding the background implementations. So in my code, the account class hides how balance is stored internally but provides simple methods like deposit function and withdraw function for interaction. The user doesn't worry about the logic inside but just about using these methods. And so now second is encapsulation. Encapsulation means protecting data by controlling the whole SS. In my program, you will see the balance field in account is private. It can only be changed using methods like deposit and withdraw. This prevents errors like setting the balance directly to a negative number. So and now we talk about inheritance. Inheritance allows sharing common features between classes. I created a base transaction class and then specific transaction types like deposit transaction, withdraw transaction, and transfer transaction which inherit from it. This avoids duplication and keeps the code neat and clean. And the last is polymorphism, which means one interface can represent many forms. You can also say that one form, but it has many. One too many, you can also say that, but not that much. In my project, different transaction classes all override the execute method. The bank class can store a list of transaction objects and it processes them without knowing if they are deposits, withdrawals, or transfers. So this makes the system flexible and easy to extend. So this is my definitions for OOP principles which I used in my code. And last, let's talk about the conclusion, or you can also say that what key takeaways we have take from these whole explanations. So in my conclusion, my solution shows how OOP principles like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphisms which works together to build a modular and flexible banking system. If I wanted to extend it, I could easily add new account types like a savings account or new transaction types, generally using inheritance, because inheritance it will be very easy to access all the properties of parent class into the child class. So this is my conclusion for this, and I hope all these things works for you and perfect according to my code file, which is account which says abstract transactions. So this is it. Thank you for listening. Bye.